Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the color butterfly stack effect in CapCut PC. Alright, go to library, select the black screen. Alright, go to text. You can select the text template or just add the full text. So for instance, I'm going to select the text effect. Just select this one you like. Alright, so just position in some line and change for text. You can resize and select the clips. Right click, create compound clip. Go to opaque, select the opaque and select you can select butterflies and select the color butterflies. So you can also add audio, sticker and anymore. Alright, so this is the final text effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.